The Meghalaya Democratic Alliance on Thursday held a meeting of the Coordination Committee to discuss on matters relating to the coordination between the coalition partners. While speaking at the press briefing after the meeting, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that as far as certain baseless allegations made against the MDA government by a few partners were concerned, a resolution had been made wherein all allegations made against the government should be discussed in the coalition committee meeting before bringing them out into the public. This resolution was supported by all members of the coalition government.
Recently in the press, as you're aware, there have been some allegations and some statements been made by some of the partners of the MDA. So therefore, those matters were discussed, and it was the opinion and suggestion of all the coalition partners that the coalition partners should not come out with these kind of allegations outside openly. And if there are issues, then we should first take it up with the government and in the coordination committee meeting, and only if situation is not resolved, then we can take further steps. But the first step would be to discuss within the coordination and within the government. So this resolution was taken today, and all the coalition members have supported this resolution, and of course detailed discussions went into all the different points that have been raised in the media in the past.
Other matters discussed were about entry and exit points into various locations, as well as about the COVID situation, wherein testing still continues to this day to check on all entries through various points into the state of Meghalaya.
And we stress on the fact that the state will have to maintain some kind of screening to ensure that our people are safe. And at the same time, we would trying very hard to create a system that is going to be there in place, which will make it convenient for the people who are coming into the state. Then there were some issues discussed about the entry-exit point also. So I briefed the members of the coordination committee that the entry-exit point, at least in Umling, is at the verge of completion. We have also started the recruitment process. The advertisements have been done for the manpower that is going to run this location, and we are very hopeful that the infrastructure will be set up as was committed in the House, which is within this month, and we should be able to get the manpower training and be able to operationalize the entire entry-exit point within a very, very short period of time, maybe a week or 10 days within the first week of December itself.
Those present at the meeting were the members of the NPP, UDP, PDF, HSPDP, NCP, KNUM, independent MLAs, and the two BJP MLAs, Shri A.L. Hek and Shri Sanbor Shulai.